Hi, in this video we'll be learning how to find last two digits of power of 6. Now in order to find this, let's try to find if there is any pattern in the last two digits of power of 6. So if we start writing the different powers of 6 starting with 6 raised to 1, then last two digits of 6 raised to 1 is 6, of 6 square is 36, of 6 cube will be given by 36 into 6, and the last two digits will be 16. Of 6 raised to 4 will be 16 multiplied by 6 or 96. 6 raised to 5 will be 96 multiplied by 6 or 76. 6 raised to 6 is 76 multiplied by 6, which is 56. So till now we have not found any pattern, right? Like none of the numbers like 0, 6 or 36 are repeating till now. So we'll continue finding the last two digits of powers of 6. So 6 raised to 7, last two digits will be 56 multiplied by 6, which is 36. Now we see that the numbers are repeating. Let's try one more. So 6 raised to 8, last two digits is 36 into 6, which is 16. And it will keep on repeating now. That means the cycle of last two digits of power of 6 is 5 except 6 raised to 1, right? So if we ignore 6 raised to 1, then the numbers are repeating in a bunch of 5 numbers. So for any problem, if you have to find the last two digits of power of 6, we can actually subtract 1 from the power and then divide the remaining power by 5 to get the remainder of the power. And whatever is the remainder, the last two digits will be same as that power of 6. Let's take an example to understand this further. So let's say we have to find the last two digits of 6 raised to 71. Now what we'll do is we'll take 71, we'll subtract 1 from 71, so we'll get 70. Now when we divide 70 by 5, then the remainder is 0. That also means a remainder of 5. That means 6 raised to 71 will have the same last two digits as the fifth term in that pattern. And the pattern was 36, 16, 96, 76, and 56. And this is the fifth term in that sequence. So that means 6 raised to 71 will have the same last two digits as 6 raised to 5 plus 1, because we removed 5 here, which is equal to 6 raised to 6, and which is the fifth term here, right? So last two digits will be equal to 56 in this case. Let's try another problem. So find last two digits of 6 raised to 12517. So again, we'll subtract 1 from 12517 to get 12516. We'll divide this number by 5. Now, in order to divide any number by 5, we just need to look at the last digit, right? So we just need to divide 6 by 5. We'll get a remainder of 1. That means 6 raised to 12517 will have the same last two digits as the first term in that pattern, right? And the pattern once again was 36, 16, 96, 76, and 56. So this is the first term. So that means 6 raised to 12517 will have the same last two digits as 6 raised to 1 plus 1, because we removed 1 in the starting, and this will be equal to 36. Now, if you want to master how to find last two digits of other numbers and also want to learn how to find unit state of other numbers, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.